Hi, today we will be learning Memories on the keyboard. We will start off with a tutorial to show you how to play this song, followed by a demonstration of the piece. Have a delightful time playing this song. We're going to focus on the right hand here. Alright, so put your thumb on C. Alright, it starts off with your fifth finger on G. The timing here goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 2 and a 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Alright, so this repeats quite a little bit. Okay, this rhythm goes 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4. Okay, and here we go again. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a turn, 2, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Repeat here. 1 and a 2 and a 3 bar 5 bar 6. Go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a turn and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 2. And that's it. Now the left hand for memories goes like this. You start with C. 1, 2 and then G and A. Go down to E. Then you go F, F, 2, C, 2, F, 2, G, 2. And you can start on this C as well, no problem. Whichever C is fine. A, 2, E, 2, F, 2, C, 2, F, 2, G, 2. And you play it together with the right hand. This goes 1,